Happy New Year, welcome to 2021. This is my very first video of the year. And quite frankly, I am perplexed on why it's about iPhone boxes. I honestly thought my first video was gonna be about laptops or a smartphone, but no, here we are. There is a crazy tweet going viral on Twitter right now telling you to throw out your iPhone box, saying it's okay, just do it. And look, if you're a minimalist, I get it, you're probably gonna do it anyways, because if your box doesn't serve a purpose in your life, it just remains as clutter. And clutter is no good in the minimalist's life. You want everything you don't need out of the house. But there are so many good reasons to keep your iPhone box. In fact, there is one reason alone that you should consider before even thinking about throwing your iPhone box. Let's start with the less important ones. And the first one is do it yourself. You know, you look at this box, you open it up, you see a hole here. Maybe you want to use it for a place to store your keys, maybe a Tic Tac holder, hold your gum. And then on the right-hand side, you have this little square here where you can place a bonsai plant. Maybe you can call it a bonsai key holder. The other thing is the environment, you know, like, yes, you can technically recycle the box, but some of that is still gonna get broken down to waste and thrown out. If you create a do-it-yourself project, you're doing more for the environment overall than simply just tossing in the recycling bin. The other thing is, if you just bought an iPhone for the very first time, maybe you're coming from Android, what if you don't like it 13 days later, you know? You use the phone, 13 days later, you decide you wanna go back to Android, you're still in that return range. You can't return it without the box. You think Apple's gonna take your smartphone back without the accessories in the box? Absolutely not. So you're gonna wanna keep it in case you wanna return it. Then there's resale. I know some of you out there might be saying, well, I plan on keeping the phone for 4 to 5 years, but how do you know that? Maybe a year from now, you get sick of the iPhone you're using and you wanna switch to Android, or maybe you just want the latest iPhone. iPhones with boxes, or any phone with a box, sells for more than a phone without one. Like when you take a picture of your phone beside the box, it looks visually more appealing. It also speaks to the viewer that you're into taking care of your products. I would rather bid on a phone with the box than without the box. To take it one step further, imagine you never used the charger that came inside of it. You still have the plastic tags on it, it's still perfectly wrapped. The person looking at your listing is going to think you take such good care of your device when you have the complete package. But the most important reason on why you want to keep the box is because you can sell the blank box for money. That's correct. Even if you plan on throwing it out, you can sell the empty box on eBay. There are empty boxes of iPhones going anywhere from $9 to $25. Because there's a lot of people out there that want to keep the box for resale down the road. There's a lot of people out there who want to keep the box because they're moving. Maybe they want to have a collection of iPhones throughout the years, and for some reason their box got messed up. They can go out, buy the brand new box, and add it to their collection. So even if you plan on throwing the box in the bin, try selling it first, because not only does that box not get thrown in the trash, you also get to make a little bit of money too. And here's the other thing. The iPhone box today is half the size of what it used to be, which means it's gonna take up less space on your shelf. There are just so many good things you can do with this box. Like I said, do it yourself. You can return it if you don't like the phone, you can resell it in the future, or you can just sell the box by itself. Take that money, buy yourself a charging brick, since Apple no longer includes one inside of here. The only individual who should probably not keep the box, and this is more for health reasons, is probably a hoarder. And that's something that I can't change your mind on. That probably requires therapy. So yeah, don't throw out the box, keep it. There are so many things you can do with it, and most importantly, you can get some of your money back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Many more to come, because if you did, I'd love for you if you hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.